little bit of it is okay. That's what's part of there, okay? And underneath it would be underneath it, sitting above it, medius, okay? What's this?
Band.
The tip of the tract, and that's, you want to remove because that's actually a tendon. And this cute little thing here,
Tensor fascial
tensor fascial lati, abductor. Okay, and the longest muscle in the body, where does it originate?
The anterior, superior,
Anterior, superior, iliac spine. Okay. And where does it insert?
pes anterior.
Pes anterior. Okay. And this one is coming halfway down the thigh. Adductor longus. You probably won't even see the brevis in there. And the magnus is deep to all of that, which I can't do in this model. And the thing that's totally medial? Gracilis, which is in slender. This group is called the
Quadriceps.
femoris, quadriceps femoris. This one crosses two joints. The rest of them only cross one joint. What's this?
Rectus femoris.
Rectus femoris. Okay, what is it? Where does it originate? Not up there, okay? Just below it. Anterior, inferior iliac spine. So it causes flexion of the hip. All the other muscles originate on the femur. And this would be the
Vastus
vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, and underneath.
Vastus intermedialis.
All four insert by way of the patellar, this is a quadriceps tendon, and then becomes a patellar ligament, okay, because it's now bone to bone, into the tibial tuberosity. Okay. So much.
What was the top one again? This is the easy one.
This one?
Yeah, this one, the vastus lateralis, vastus medialis. What's that guy?
What is
Rectus
this?
femoris.
Rectus femoris. Straight up and down, same. Right. Okay. So the anterior compartment, that includes two muscles. The tibialis anterior, and notice it comes down, it's going to insert, doesn't show you where it inserts. It inserts in the base of the first metatarsal and the first cuneiform, or medial cuneiform. So when it shortens, it pulls the toes upward, so that's called dorsiflexion. But also because it inserts over here, it also causes inversion. Okay. Next to it is the extensor digitorum, which tenders to those four toes. So it also causes dorsiflexion, but extension of the toes, that's the name, extensor digitorum. Totally lateral,
Peroneus longus.
peroneus longus, also called the fibularis longus. And one big clue about this one is it goes behind the lateral malleolus. And then underneath the foot, they have it ending kind of early here. It inserts the same place as the tibialis anterior, but coming from exactly the opposite direction. So it does exactly the opposite thing. So this would cause plantar flexion and eversion of the foot. So that's the lateral compartment. And there's other muscles there too we're not worrying about. And this is the gastrocnemius. And underneath it, soleus. Now, watch out, the gastrocnemius originates on the femur. The soleus on the tibia and fibula. So they don't originate in the same place. But they insert the same place by way of the calcaneal tendon or Achilles tendon. What do they cause?
Plantar flexion.
Plantar flexion. In fact, the gastrocnemius is sometimes called the toe dancer's muscle. And you can see that on people that wear high heels. Okay. And the soleus looks like a sole fat fish. Okay. And what else have we left out? I think we've done it all, haven't we? Again, intrinsic muscles on the foot totally originate and insert on the foot.
And is the soleus stronger than the?
They insert together,
Okay.
so I think they do about the same thing. Now, the gastrocnemius also can cause movement at the knee, but we're not worried too much about that. Let's see. Where does this sartorius insert? Did I ask you that? Yes, I did. Where does, we have it in the hamstrings, I'm sorry. Major oversight. Hamstrings. And what's the memory device for the hamstrings?
BTM.
DTM, bottom, lateral to medial. The long head of the biceps femoris, the semitendinosus and semimembranosus, which is somewhere there, I don't know where, all, let me see, am I doing the wrong way? Biceps femoris here, semitendinosus, semimembranosus, all originate on the
Tuberosities.
ischial tuberosity, but you sit on, okay? The short-headed biceps femoris originates on the femur bone. So BTM, okay? And the biceps femoris goes laterally. All the others go medially. The semitendinosus has a very long tendon. That's a big clue. Where does it insert? There's answer on this, along with the gracilis and the sartorius. And if we go deep underneath these, you're going to find the adductor vagus. Okay, now have I done all of them?
Yeah.
I think so.